So I have a lot of redness on the back, and that's what I want to try and get rid of. Like this part back here. Hopefully I'm able to get rid of that. To get started, I'm obviously going to be changing shirts. Yeah, I don't want to get this one stained even though I was cooking. I got some food on my shirt. Hi everyone, my name is Mireya, and for this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to be removing any redness or any hair dye that I have left on my hair. I've been bleaching my hair a couple of times, but I feel like that way it's getting damaged, and I just want something natural, or at least a little bit more natural, with minimal or no damage at all. So I'm not going to be using bleach. Yes, I am using developer, and I'm using a couple more ingredients. Do you want to know how I made this homemade, I guess, DIY hair dye remover? Keep on watching this video. Of Dawn dish soap, 4 ounces of the developer. I'm also going to be using 4 ounces of the purple shampoo, and that was 2 ounces of baking soda. Now that you guys saw how I made my mixture, now it's time to apply it. I need gloves, yes, and I have a very stained shirt. This is the shirt that I've been using a couple of times already. I really need this redness to be off of my hair. Like, I'm just tired of bleaching my hair over and over again. I've been bleaching it and I just don't want to damage it anymore. I will let you guys know. I know that I will let you guys know if this did damage it or what it did. I know that it's probably going to be leaving my hair a bit dry, but hopefully it doesn't damage it as much. I'm so happy with the way my hair turned out because I did give myself a haircut. I will leave you a link for that haircutting video, which was a fail, and then I had to fix it, in the description box below and somewhere up here also as well. So I don't know if you can tell, but I have some redness. I've heard red is the hardest color to remove, and I didn't feel like it was until I started applying some bleach, and then this happened here. So I can see the redness now. So what I did is I applied Color Fix to remove the red, and I felt like the red was gone. But once I applied bleach, like, I feel like it came up again, or it was hiding between my hair strands and it just popped up. Disclaimer, I'm no hairstylist at all. You're probably thinking this girl has no idea what she's doing, and I probably don't. I hope it turns out. I hope it removes all of the hair dye. I hope this lightens my hair. We'll see how it goes. So stick around if you want to see if I'm going to be frying my hair or what's going to happen. My hair is a bit greasy. I applied coconut oil because I was afraid that this product was going to dry up my hair. So I just want to protect it a bit. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be applying it like in sections. I'm going to divide my hair. No perfect way there, but I'm going to do one side first and then the other. Like, there's a whole bunch of redness. Are you able to tell that my hair is still red? I'm hoping it gets rid of that redness there. I'm so happy with my short hair. I added 2 ounces of baking soda. I'm gonna add 2 more. I have my measurement here. This is just too it's not thick enough. I feel like I need to add a little more. Okay guys, so right now I feel like my hair is already getting lighter. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. It looks kind of like a platinum-ish color, possibly because of the purple shampoo. But I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that my hair does get lighter and I don't have to keep bleaching it. And I hope it doesn't get damaged either. So I will get back to you guys possibly within 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm gonna wash it off and then I'll show you guys the results. Hey guys, here I am once again. So these are the results of this DIY hair color remover, or I don't even know what I'm gonna be calling it. But I will say that I have seen other people try this mixture or whatever hair color lightener before, and the results are way better than mine. I do want to say disclaimer out there, I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not a professional, and I did not make up this mixture. I didn't put all of this together or make it up myself. I have seen it in several different websites, social media, so I wanted to give it a try to give you guys my experiment with this mixture or the results that I've had. I guess my expectations were way too high, where I was expecting like a big, huge change, that all of the red would go away and that my hair would look so much lighter, which I don't think it did. I think it did help a little bit, but not like a big, huge difference. But you guys will probably be able to tell better than I am, because I will be showing you guys like the before and after shots there. So this part here was way red, But if you dig through or look through inside, you can tell that I still have some redness. I wanted to film this video because I am in the process of dyeing my hair a very light color, pink. And for that process, or that's a process in itself. And I've been lightening it and bleaching it or whatever. And this is one of the steps that I wanted to share with you guys that I've been trying. That way you guys can see my results or how I've been lightening my hair or what has worked for me. And that's why I want to share this video with you guys, because maybe you guys are in the process of also lightening your hair and you guys want to try something new and you guys want to see what works and what doesn't. So that's why I wanted to share this. I guess I'm repeating myself and I've said it so many times already. I don't really know what to think because I still have a bit of redness and my hair is still orange, which I was hoping my hair would dramatically, miraculously be so much lighter. When I was applying that mixture, I saw that my hair looked even grayish, which I even liked. It looks kind of like a platinum-ish color. I was liking that hair color, or whatever grayish or purplish, whatever color it was looking. I was liking it, whatever tone. But yeah, I still see some redness. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. My hair's still orange. I don't see like a major difference. Maybe you guys will be able to tell even better than what I can see. I had a lot of redness. I don't see that much redness, but I do see it still. So this part here was the part that I had a lot of redness. It's still red, but I guess not as much. Okay, so I think you can see a bit of a difference because all this was like very red. But look at that, I still see redness in there. See this part? Okay, this here I still see red. So I guess it worked a little bit. Maybe I should apply it again. Maybe I should bleach again. I don't know. What do you guys think? What should I do? I'm just so desperate to get the hair color that I want that I've been bleaching it and doing a lot of things with it, which I know I need to let it rest because I've been doing something like every week, once a week. I know I should wait at least 2 weeks, but I have been applying some hair conditioning and DIY treatments at home. So I know my hair is pretty bad, damaged, but it's not, I guess it could be worse. So that's pretty much it for this video. I don't even know if this was helpful at all, but I will say that this hair mixture has worked for other people. It didn't work as much for me, or I guess my expectations were too high. But I'm hoping it'll work for you guys. It's not damaging. Oh, my hair felt soft after applying this. I don't know if this happens to everyone. My hair wasn't dry. I thought it was going to be dry. I don't know if it was because I applied coconut oil before. I really don't know how this works, guys. But my hair was soft and it kept being soft for like a week. So yeah, but I do apply hair leave-in conditioner also as well. But I mean, when I was done taking a shower, my hair felt soft, even when I was applying the shampoo. So I don't know. For you guys, let me know in the comments below if you've tried this at home, if it has worked for you, if you've used it in the past. Please let me know, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful in any way, shape, or form. Thanks for watching, guys. May God bless you all, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video, hopefully, because I will be sharing with you guys like this whole experiment on how, experiment, that's what I'm calling it, on how I will be the process of getting pink hair. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.